was gonna do a no start or cold start video. I was gonna do a cold start video, but now it's turned into a no start video on the little blue Miata. Yeah, she didn't want to start. I'll have to get her unburied, get the jumper cables to her. Makes it nice. Lots of snow here in Michigan. All right, let's clean this off. I think we got a little bit of snow. All right, well, we got the Miata unstuck. Got it started. She got out of the snow okay. We got the trunk open. Took the battery charger to her. That one. That's the battery charger. And got that unstuck too. Had a mighty fine go of it. Fortunately, the other camera wasn't working, so try again next time.